Namaste children. Children, before going into the starting the session, children, I want to tell you one thing, that in the previous session, the homework which I gave you about ABC part, children, you are not doing it properly because you are not submitting your copies in offline class. You are submitting your copies in online class. So it is very difficult for us to check the notebooks. Let me show you how you have to opt your answers when you are doing specially MCQ questions. Children, when you are opting the questions in ABC part, what you have to do is that for example, in A1 the answer was land, so you put the answer, put the tick mark in front of the word. What most of you have, what you have done, let me show you that here in question number 5, which one of the following emerged as the most powerful Mahajanapada? What you have done, that here 4 options are given: Anga, Vats, Avanti and Magad. But what you have done, you have opted the answer here. Here means that you have opted Avanti, which is wrong. This answer is wrong. And if you are opting Magad, then you are going into the here box, which is not visible. You are not taking the pick clearly. So it's my suggestion to you that you opt the answer, you put the tick mark in front of the word. For example, Magad is the correct answer here. Just put a tick mark here in front of Magad. If it is Raja, answer correct, you put a tick mark over here. And the second thing which I want to tell you, that most of you are doing the spelling mistakes. Can't you see the spelling from the book and write? Even here also I have written the answer. Most of you are writing here Bimi Sara. B you are removing it. Many of you, I have seen 2-3 children that in fill in the blanks you have done all except 4. In 4 you have left it vacant only. You have not written here 3. So you are not supposed to do the homework like this. Next, in true and false, what you are doing? You are writing here in a very short form like this. Why you are writing like this? You write in capital F and in capital T and write full true, false. Is it very difficult to write all these things? I don't think so. So children, from next time, please don't repeat all these mistakes. Now we come to, in today's session, we will discuss the brief questions. Which questions? Brief questions we will discuss. What were Mahajana Padas? So let me tell you where you will get this answer. You will get this answer in page number 102. Where you will get this? Page number 102. This answer. So let me go through that page. 102. What were Mahajana Padas? You come to page number 102 in third paragraph. In third paragraph, you will get this answer, D1. People belonging to the same tribe inhabited a Janapada, but with the expansion of territories through conquest, it was known as Mahajanapadas. Right? Now the next part, it is telling you, the next question of this part, that is of D1, is name any four of them. Any four you can write. Second part. This is the second part of the answer. Magad, Vats, Avanti, Kushal. Any four you can write. Okay. This is the answer for D1. So is it clear, children, that in D1, for D1 first part, you write this one. This is the first part. And this is the second part, Magad, Vats, Avanti and Koshala. Okay? Is it clear, children, that in D1, you will write first part, this one, and for second part, you will mention any four Mahajanapadas. Okay. Is it clear, children? Next is, what was the status of Magad under the Nandas? What was the status of Magad under the Nandas? Children, when I was discussing about the different rulers of Mahajanapadas of Magad Empire, there I told you that after Darshak, it was divided into two dynasties, Shishunagas and Nandas. In the coming chapter, that is Mauryan dynasty, chapter 13, we will read about the Nanda rulers, where we will come across Chanakya, and also we will come across the ruler Chandragupta Maurya. Okay, so here what was the status? For that you have to go to page number 103. Page number 103. So come to page number 103. Important rulers. Can you see here the heading, important rulers? Yes, there in Darshak, you come to Darshak paragraph. What was the status of the Magad under the Nandas? You write there, Magad attained a very prestigious position under Nandas. They extended the territories of Magad further. Up to here only you will write for D2 answer. In the coming chapter, you will read about the Nanda dynasty, that is of Ghananand, in the next coming chapter, that is chapter 13, and you will also come across Chanakya, who was a great and famous Brahmin teacher known as Kautilya. Next question is, what made the people drift away from Brahmanism? Drift means, what is the meaning of drift? Drift means why they moved from Brahmanism. When I was discussing this religion, there I discussed that the people during Janapadas and Mahajanapadas, they moved from Brahmanism and Hinduism to Buddhism and Jainism. Because that time two main religions became popular. Why did they become popular, or why did the people drift from Brahmanism? That is the main question. So come to page number 104. So come to page number 104 in religion. How you will write this? What made the people drift away from Brahmanism and Buddhism? People drift away from Brahmanism, Buddhism as they discarded, because as Buddhism and Jainism became popular during this time, as they discarded any type of casteism and rituals. So you write from here, people drift away from Brahmanism and Hinduism because Buddhism and Jainism became popular, and don't write this during this time, right? And they discarded any type of casteism and rituals. Then you, after writing and, you write here, they discarded casteism and rituals. So let me repeat this answer again. People drift away from Brahmanism and Hinduism because Buddhism and Jainism became popular, and they discarded any type of casteism and rituals. Clear, children? Okay. This is for D3 answer. Next we come to the question, mention any two achievements of Ajatashatru. So you come to page number 103. In points you will write. You have to write in points. In front of the question I am writing here that you write in points. In front of the question you will write, I am writing here that you have to write in points. Write in points. Okay. How many points you have to write? 2. 2 achievements are there. So write in points for this question. So you come to page number 102. Let's see here. I am showing you important rulers, page number 103. Sorry. It is page number 103, important rulers. Come to Ajatashatru here and you write down the first point, that he annexed Koshala, Kashi and Vaishali and extended his empire. This is the first point. This is your first point. For which answer? For D4. And the second point is he built a fortress to keep a watch over Litavi's ruler. Up to there. This is the second point. Is it clear, children? Now, next question. What was guilt? I have given you in homework also, so I think you will be able to write. That is 104 page. 104 page. In economic conditions, second paragraph. People of different vocations. This is for question number D5. D5. There also two-part questions are there. So children, I have told you that when you are writing two parts of questions, then you change the paragraph and write. Okay. Change the paragraph and then write the second part of the answer. So first part, people of different vocations had their own organization which were called guilds. This is the first part of the answer. For the second part of the answer, I am writing here because it is not there in your book. So write down this answer. What was its main purpose? Second part, I am writing here the answer. You can see here that I am writing here. Guild's main purpose was to regulate their own associations. And they had their own laws and customs. So is it clear, children, what is the purpose? Guild's main purpose was to regulate their own association and they had their own laws and customs. This is the second part of the answer of D5. Children, I am not removing this, okay, so that when you see the video, you can write this answer, okay. I have taken the screenshot and I will send you of the second part of the answer in your MS Team and also in your WhatsApp group, okay. So please, this is your homework, D part, do it and submit in MS Team. Do the D part and submit in MS Team in assignment section. In assignment section, okay. Don't post, you send the homework in assignment section so that I can know that how many of you have submitted the homework. Thank you, children.